Hi guys! Namiss niyo ba ako? Namiss ko din kayo. So tara, samahan niyo ako sa Generica project ko, Day 1. Grabe, na-excite ako, na kinakabahan din syempre. Si Mother Dragon ba naman yung makaka-work ko ngayon? Pagdating nga po pala namin, pinakain kagad kami. Ayan, mini-makeupan na nga po pala ako. Grabe, nakaka-excite talaga. Hi Sir Idol! Grabe, ang pogi talaga ni Idol. Ayan guys, malapit na nga po pala ako isalang. For print ad nga po pala ito. Kaya for the photoshoot kami ni Mother Dragon.
That's nice. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and kiss. Kiss the lead and go. Yeah, nice. Very nice. 1, 2. Very good. Parang ganyan. Tama. Okay, good. 1, 2, 3, and go. Kiss the lead. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, and
inabot niya.
kiss and good. Okay, nice. Good job.
Pero in terms of the
yung tayo partnership din doon. Namin siya. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and go. Kiss it. Nice. Very good.
Ayan nga po pala, kinikiss ko si Miss Dimple. Grabe, parang kailan lang pinapanood ko siya sa Kadenang Ginto. Tapos ngayon, ka-work ko na. Di nga po pala talaga ako makapaniwala. Grabe, sobrang bait at ganda ko.
1 year. Alright, one more. Very good, Jeanine. Very good, Jeanine. That's what we're looking for. Siguro yung arm mo lang. Alright, let's try that. 1, 2, 3, and go. Good. One more. 1, 2, 3, and go.
nice.
Good. One more. 1, 2, 3, and go.
Ganda nito.
Siguro mas malaking kuha lang din. Parang na-surprise. 1, 2, 3, and go. That's nice. Try mo medyo ties mo sa kanya. I know it's the okay, I'll try. 1, 2, 3, and go. Ready naman. Ready naman.
Yeah.
Very good, Jeanine. 1, 2, 3, and go. Kiss. Yeah, good. I think we got that.
It's okay, hindi ako madaling mabigat. Ilan ang kilo ko? 35. Okay. Alam mo yung mga nandun, ang taga nila. Sila. Naku, hindi narinig, kaya pa naman ako kalma. Halika, baby, dito ka sa akin. Itaas ko talaga. Yeah. Okay.
Yan.
Yung isa mong handy lang, ilagay mo dito. Di ba kailangan yung
Yeah.
device?
The device itself.
You put it in your, Tita Dimple's here. Yeah. He needs the,
For the device.
device. Tapos, mag-talking to each other. Okay, ready, 1, 2, 3, and tigil!
Nice.
Then titigil si... Ready? Remember where you hug that.
And then you tell me about what you like. What you like? Pizza lang.
Naalala mo, no? Huwag ka muna titingin kay Mami. Chin up, G. 1, 2, 3, and go. Very good. Bye. nararamdaman ko na naman. Uy, 6 AM na. Hindi ba talaga nararamdaman? Ano ba request mo music? Anong favorite mo nga? Sige na, ay na to. Hindi. Apat to. ABT mo? ABT sila.
Sawa na daw siya sa salamin.
Gusto mo cat's eye? Touch? Gusto mo? Apple? Ano? So, gawin natin. Para nagpa-picture lang kayo sa one, two, three, and dali na! Yeah, good. Waxing and waxing. One, two, very good. One to the end. That's nice. Yeah, there. Okay, next, sofa. Enter the sofa. One, two, three, and look at the tawa ka na rin, G. One to the end. Close eyes. One, two, tawa, and yeah, very good, G. Yung kaya lang ni G na yun sa likod. Very good. G, tawa ka with the eyebrows. Ready, G. One, two, three, and go. Very good, G. One, two, three, and go. Very nice, G. One more, one, two, three, and tawa ka. One hand down. Share it sa baba. Yan. Love you, Mami. Oh, gusto naman ng PhD.
See you sa part 2. Taping naman yan. Namiss ko tong sabihin. So, hanggang dito lang muna. Bye-bye!